SAP FICO versus SAP CO. What is the difference? SAP FICO is one of the most important and widely implemented modules in the SAP ecosystem. But many people do not understand the difference between the FI and CO components. Here is a clear explanation. SAP FICO stands for Financial Accounting and Controlling. It is actually two separate but tightly integrated modules. SAP FI, or Financial Accounting, handles external financial reporting. It manages the general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, asset accounting, and bank accounting. FI produces the financial statements that are reported to regulatory authorities, investors, and external stakeholders. SAP CO, or Controlling, handles internal management accounting. It tracks costs and revenues within the organization to support internal decision-making. CO includes cost center accounting, profit center accounting, internal orders, and product costing. While FI focuses on what happened financially, with the outside world, CO focuses on how money moves internally. Both modules share data and work together seamlessly. Many SAP consultants specialize in FICO as a combined module because the two are so closely linked. SAP FICO consultants are in extremely high demand globally. Every large organization that runs SAP needs people who understand both financial accounting and controlling. If you are considering a career in SAP, FICO is one of the strongest starting points. It combines technical SAP skills with financial domain knowledge that is valuable in every industry.